Say hello to Ethan, who recently completed the Welding Technology Program. His path demonstrates a unique side of WNMU, where education is about more than degrees. It's about leaving with a skill that translates into a meaningful career path. Tell us all about your journey, Ethan. Take it away.
Hey, thanks, Alex. Growing up, I never knew exactly what I wanted to do after high school, but I've always been a go-getter. I knew I needed to continue my education to be successful in today's environment, but I wasn't sure a traditional college experience was for me. I wanted to study something I could use anywhere I go, no matter what happens in life. Then I discovered Western New Mexico University. I found my path in the Workforce Development Program right here, where I earned my associate's degree in welding. In just my first semester of the program, I got hands-on shop experience. I was able to use multiple welding processes, make repairs on heavier equipment, cut metal, and I learned how to get certified through the American Welding Society. This real-world experience prepared me and my peers to earn our certifications and to get great paying jobs right out of school. I landed a job with a local construction company where I work alongside other WNMU graduates. Attending the welding program here was pivotal in my journey to success. Through comprehensive coursework and hands-on in-shop training, I honed my skills and gained industry-relevant knowledge. Moreover, my professors' expertise in the industry helped me to get certified and prepared me to graduate and to secure a rewarding welding career. Western New Mexico University knows the importance of a well-trained and knowledgeable workforce. They invest in our success in the shop to ensure we thrive in our careers. After this job, I plan on buying my own welding equipment, so eventually I could start my own welding business. But for now, back to you, Alex.
Awesome, Ethan. It's great to know that WNMU offers students multiple paths to success because the traditional college route isn't for everyone. These accelerated workforce training programs clearly have WNMU graduates jumping right into the workforce. Best of luck with the welding business, Ethan. Thanks again.